Welcome back to our channel Respect Education. Now we see problem number 4. 30 women were examined. Here you note down this value 30 women means sum of the frequency should be 30. 30 women were examined in a hospital by a doctor and their heartbeats per minute were recorded and summarized as shown. Their heartbeats are summarized like this. Now the question is that find the mean heartbeats per minute for these women choosing a suitable method. Actually, how many methods we have here? Three methods. First one is direct method. Second one is assumed mean method. And third one is step deviation method. Here we need to select which is easy for us. Is it clear? Now here, let us take this given one as class interval and this as Fi, frequency. First let us find mid values, that is xi. Xi means 65 plus 68 by 2. 65 plus 68 is 123. 123 by 2 is 66.5. Is it clear? Yes. Now onwards, without wasting much time, here you see the class width. So everywhere it is 3. So here 3 can be added here. So next value 66.5 will become 69.5. This is plus 3 you do, it is 72.5, plus 3, 75.5, plus 3, 78.5, plus 3, 81.5, plus 3, 84.5. Clear? Now here let us take a small break and think, can we do in direct method or not? See here. If we are ready to do in direct method, what we need to do? We should multiply 2 into 66.5, 4 into this value, 3 into this value. If you feel this is not comfortable to you, then you can find di. So here it looks like little bit difficult for multiplying all the values. Then let us go for di now. How to find di here? How to find di? In this list of xi, one value can be taken as a, assumed mean. So here mostly we will take almost the middle value. Here you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 values are there. So in which fourth one is the middle one. So let us take this as a. Here a is equal to 75.5. For example, you may get doubt here. Sir, here 7 are there, so we have selected middle one is 4. If 8 are there, if 8 are there in the middle one, whichever you want, you can take it. Is it clear? For example, 8 are there in that 1, 2, 3, suppose 8 are there, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. In this is first one, 8th one, second one, 7th one. Yes. Which two are there now?
4 and 5.
4 and 5. You can take any one of them. Either you can take 4th observation or 5th one. Now, so here we have decided this as a. Now di value can be found as xi minus a. Di value is xi minus a. So from xi, this a is to be subtracted. Now here let us subtract. 66.5 minus 75.5 is minus 9. Clear? 69.5 minus 75.5 is minus 6. 72.5 minus 75.5 is minus 3. 75.5, that is only xi and that is only a. 75.5 minus 75.5 is 0. 78.5 minus 75.5 is 3. 81.5 minus 75.5 is 6. 84.5 minus 75.5 is 9. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now again you think here that can we multiply fi and di or not? Here let us see, can we multiply fi and di or not? So here it is somehow easy. 9 2s are minus 18, minus 24, it is easy. Clear? But earlier we have done one problem in a zoom in method. So let us try this one in step deviation method. So for which here we are going to find ui, another column ui. Clear? How to get ui here? See, di divided by this length or width of the class interval, that is called h. Clear? So di by h. That is what, this is how we can find ui, di by h. Clear? So here you find the difference or height or width of the class interval. 68 minus 65 is 3. So here remember, h is equal to 3. H is equal to 3. That means every value by 3 we need to do. Is it clear? Now here see, minus 9 by 3 is minus 3. Minus 6 by 3 is minus 2. Minus 3 by 3 is minus 1. 0 by 3 is 0. 3 by 3, 1. 6 by 3, 2. 9 by 3, 3. Now ui is also ready. Now here, out of xi, di and ui, which is the latest one?
Di.
Latest one? Ui. With that we should multiply fi. Is it clear? With ui we should multiply fi. That is the last column of this table. Fi into ui is to be done. Now here, 2 into minus 3, minus 6. 4 into minus 2, minus 8. 3 into minus 1, minus 3. 8 into 0, 0. 7 into 1, 7. 4 into 2, 8. 2 into 3, 6. Now here, with this table work is completed. Clear? Before that, here let us add these values. Clear? Sigma fi ui and sigma fi is common. Now let us add them. Here while adding also, first add the negative values. Minus 6 and minus 8 is minus 14. Minus 14 and minus 3 is minus 17. So here to here it is minus 17. So it is minus 17 plus, let us add the positive values. 7 plus 8 is 15. 15 plus 6 is 21. So here directly we can say 21 minus 17 is 4. Clear? This is the value of sigma fi into ui. Sigma fi into ui is ready. Now sigma fi, here 30 can be written directly, but before that better to check once. 2 plus 4 is 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 8 is 17. 17 plus 7 is 24. 24 plus 4, 28. 28 plus 2, 30. So here sigma fi is equal to 30. Now here let us simplify this by step deviation method. By step deviation method, first we should write the formula. The suitable formula is mean x bar is equal to a plus sigma fi into ui by sigma fi into h. This is the formula in the step deviation method. So let us write all the values now here. Tell me what is here a. From the table you can say a is 75.5. A is 75.5. Sigma fi into ui. Sigma fi into ui is 4. And sigma fi is 30. And finally h. H is equal to, here it is, that is 3. H is equal to 3. Clear? Now let us substitute these values in the formula. Now mean x bar is equal to, tell me here a 75.5 plus sigma fi ui 4 by sigma fi 30 into h is 3. As I have told you, we can solve from right side to left side. Clear? So here let us cancel 30 and 3 10 times. Now here this is 75.5 plus 4 by 10. Now this is 75.5 plus 4 by 10 is 0.4. Clear? On adding 75.5 plus 0.4 is 75.9. 75.9. Here you see the units. These many heartbeats per minute. Clear? So 75.9 heartbeats per minute. Let us write the conclusion here. See here, find is there. Let us cancel the find. The mean heartbeats. Therefore, the mean heartbeats per minute is, write down the value here, 75.9. Here let us conclude with this unit, heartbeats per minute. Heartbeats per minute. So with this problem 4 gets completed. If you feel this video is helpful to you, please like, share and subscribe our channel. And please do not forget to press the bell button so that you will get the notifications from our channel. Thank you very much.